Hello, Fountain Hill families. I'm Mrs. Stambaugh, the proud principal of Fountain Hill Elementary School. Welcome to our open house block party. We are so excited to have you here with us tonight as we celebrate our school community, our students, and all the wonderful learning that will happen every single day. At Fountain Hill, we believe in creating a welcoming, inclusive, and safe environment where every student can thrive. Our teachers work hard to make learning engaging, hands-on, and fun, and we love seeing students take pride in their growth and accomplishments. In addition to meeting all of your child's teachers tonight, you will meet some key players of our Fountain Hill team during this video. Staff members who are dedicated to supporting, inspiring, and guiding every student. You will also learn what it means to be a Title I school and how this important program helps us provide additional resources, support, and opportunities to ensure every child has what they need to succeed. Tonight is about connecting with each other, our amazing staff, and with the Fountain Hill spirit. Enjoy the activities, explore our classrooms, meet our incredible teachers, and don't forget to take a moment to celebrate the unique talents and creativity of our students. Thank you for being here, for supporting our school, and for helping us make Fountain Hill Elementary School a place where every child feels valued, challenged, and inspired. Let's have a wonderful time at the block party. Go FHE!
Hello, Fountain Hill families and students. Welcome to our open house block party. My name is Jessica Hergenrother, and I'm the assistant principal here at Fountain Hill Elementary School. I have two updates for you regarding behavior and attendance for this school year. First, our school-wide expectations here at Fountain Hill are be ready, be responsible, be safe, be respectful, and follow directions. Teachers positively reinforce this on a regular basis through class circle discussions, class dojo points for positive behavior, and classroom level celebrations. Each quarter, we will have a school-wide event where students will be able to utilize their points to earn different levels of rewards based on their positive choices. The second update is regarding attendance. Our school-wide attendance goal is to grow our good attendance by 10% by June of this year. Our school-wide attendance campaign is ready and roaring with less than 9 days absent. In order for your child to have good attendance, they cannot miss more than 9 days of school this school year, which comes down to 2 or less absences per month. With that being said, if your child is sick, we do not want them here in school. We definitely want them to be home and resting and recovering, but you can send all of your attendance excuses or notes to our attendance email, which is fountainhillattendance@bsdschools.org. Lastly, we will be celebrating students by individuals as well as homerooms for their good attendance on a quarterly basis, and we will be providing families with updates regarding their child's attendance data on a quarterly basis with their report cards. Thank you so much, and I look forward to an awesome school year with you, and have a great night tonight at the open house.
A Title I school is a school that receives federal funds for Title I students. The principle of Title I is that schools with large concentrations of low-income students will receive supplemental funds to assist in meeting students' educational goals. Fountain Hill Elementary School is a Title I school, and we embrace the opportunity to provide our students with extra instructional supports beyond the regular classroom in order to engage learners in meeting state standards in core academic subjects. All students enrolled in Fountain Hill are eligible for additional resources and services provided by Title I funding. Fountain Hill utilizes a portion of our Title I funds to enhance educational activities, offer parent and family involvement events like task force meetings and community school engagement events, support the pre-K program, add additional staff, and offer after-school and summer programs that extend and reinforce student learning. Throughout the school year, various opportunities will allow for families to meet with teachers and school staff. Meetings will allow for families to share insights and feedback in regards to our school improvement plan, school and home compact, family engagement plan, and district family engagement policy. Documents are reviewed and updated each year. Families will take a deeper look at these documents during our September task force meeting. If staff or families have any questions, please contact the main office.
Hi, FHA families. My name is Mr. Vargas. I work in the community school office with our after school coordinator, Ms. Phil Marie Morales. I am in charge of the community school office here at Fountain Hill Elementary School and work in conjunction with Lehigh University and also United Way of the Greater Lehigh Valley in order to provide basic support for all of our families. Some of the things that we offer include our Fountain Hill Food Pantry that's located at St. Ursula's until we get back into our new building, as well as after school programs that are offered here on site, and also our clothing closet that a lot of families take advantage of in case they need any basic support. You could always feel free to contact me via Dojo or through email, and we would help you in any way that you need.